This is the You Ask, the Pros Answer podcast. Do you have questions about an upcoming exterior contracting project? We've got answers. Welcome to the You Ask, the Pros Answer podcast. Hey, welcome to the You Ask, the Pros Answer podcast. Your questions answered by the pros you trust. Wanted to hop on here real quick and just wish you a very happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to you. Aaron and I are taking the day and we're spending some time with friends and family. Hope you are able to do the same. We will be back here, right here in this very spot next Friday for a brand new episode that I'm sure you will not want to miss. However, maybe you're finding the show for the very first time. Go back and watch or listen to one of our past episodes. You'll quickly get an idea of what we're all about. But until next Friday, happy homeowning. The You Ask, the Pros Answer podcast is produced in-house by the Pro Exteriors team. Pro Exteriors is the exterior contracting division of Empire Construction Group, LLC. This podcast is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. For more answers to your questions, please subscribe to this channel and podcast so you'll never miss an episode. Do you have an upcoming home remodeling project? Find more answers to your questions at askproexteriors.com. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Would you please help us out by hitting that subscribe button? That would be awesome. Also, if you never want to miss another one of our uploads, please be sure to hit that notification bell. All right, thanks. See ya.